Is he gonna
Howdy,
back
partner.
up? Oh shit!
What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel and welcome to the very first Sons of the Forest video that you are going to be seeing on here. My name is Tay and my buddy's name is Shinigami, and we decided that it would be a good idea to record how our first couple nights in Sons of the Forest went. Now, we did have some issues. I'll go ahead and play you a clip actually really quick.
Watch the audio be like complete shit again.
Don't fucking jinx it. Watch it not even fucking record the call.
And those issues actually did happen a little bit, but despite that, I think we still put together a pretty decent video. Those issues will be fixed for future videos, and believe me, there's going to be a lot of content coming soon. But either way, please drop a like, leave a comment, subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys soon.
Chat, on, give me a fucking flashlight. I'm gonna get a fucking snake light, you know? You're fucking old.
Do you or do you not feel bonita?
I feel bonita.
Wonderful, because you look bonita.
Let me at him. He's golden.
He's not golden.
His
Oh.
face is gold.
Oh, he is gold.
Is that a guy? Oh, it's a guy.
Is he gonna
Howdy,
back
partner.
up? Oh shit!
Well, there goes our pet.
Oh damn.
I'm
Bro,
dipping.
Bro,
That's that.
We could save him, bro.
I don't want to save him.
Oh, he's coming after me! Get
Oh,
the
don't
fuck
bring him
off.
over here! Don't bring him over here! Calvin's alive?
Is he? Oh my
He's
god.
right behind you. How the fuck did he survive?
What the fuck?
Oh my god, his skull bashed.
Bro. How?
He's a magician. It's like a dog that never leaves.
Ooh, more
Yeah.
blueberries.
Get the fuck out of here. Get the fuck out of here, bitch. Yeah, back the fuck up. Back the fuck up. Back the fuck up. Get the fuck out of here.
His ass.
Oh, shit.
shit.
Oh, hell no. Oh, I'm like a monkey. Who's this bitch? Hey, yo. Damn. Damn, look at that ass. What the fuck? Fuck you, Kelvin. Time to go to sleep.
Oh nah. Oh nah.
What?
I'm
Oh,
running.
go to bed. Go to bed.
Bro, we did go to bed.
It's still fucking nighttime.
We did sleep all the way through the night.
Motherfucker's night. I don't know if it's fucking daytime for you, but it's nighttime for me. It's still fucking nighttime. What the
Still
fuck?
night.
Nah, keep going to bed. Keep going to bed. Why is it still fucking nighttime?
Bro, I don't know.
One more time. One more time. One more time.
Bro, it's not gonna work.
One more time.
It's not gonna work.
Dude, there's something right there.
Go
I
to
can't
bed.
see.
Go to bed.
It's not gonna do shit.
You're the one that said to.
There he goes into the
What?
fucking darkness. There. Oh, he's running. Oh shit! I'm dead. I'm fucking dead.
What do you mean you're dead?
I'm about to die. If I get him one more time, I'm fucked.
Did you get hit?
Yeah.
Bro, just don't.
Well, I can't. I can if I can't fucking see. Why can't I can if I can't fucking see?
Oh my god, they're peeking from out behind the trees to look at us. That is the creepiest thing I've ever seen.
What tree?
Oh my god, that was horrible. Let's go. Let's go, bro.
Yeah, I'm gonna look for some birds to like kill.
Yeah, I want to make a bow.
Can you recollect arrows? Oh, you could.
You could in. Ooh, bird.
You hit me, goddammit.
Bruh, you just walked in front of me. That was your own fault.
Watch where you fucking swinging. Oh. This fucking idiot walked into my hatchet. I kinda like sliced Kelvin in half a little bit. Oh, bitch back. Give me back my arrow, motherfucker. Yeah, let's fucking do treehouse.
Alright.
You know that would have fucked up our house?
Yeah, but there's no house yet, so we're fine.
Uh-huh. Hey, we're being surrounded by them.
Yeah, bro.
Where's our bait?
I don't know. Oh, there's one right here. Behind you.
What did you do? What did you do?
Bro, I don't think that was me.
Did that log fuck it up? I'm fucking scared.
Why?
They're
Oh my
coming.
god! Holy shit!
What? What?
Oh my god, that was a jump scare. Oh.
What block is that?
I think it's these logs just chopped in half. Yeah, it is. So, you take the logs that are cut in half.
What did you do? Oh my god. What did you do? What were you doing? Why were you cutting it next to the fucking tree?
Because it was next to the tree!
Oh my god.
Okay, bro, that was the last time that'll happen. Trust.
No, it's not. No, it's not.
Trust, it is. Swear to God, it is.
No, should we try fucking sleeping again?
I mean, yeah, we can.
Alright. That's it.
Bro!
That's fucking it. Where the fuck is he at?
No, bro!
Goodbye, Kelvin.
Bro, it wasn't
Goodbye.
Kelvin! It wasn't
Oh,
Kelvin!
well, he's fucking dead now. Oh shit.
What do you have to say for yourself?
He shouldn't have fucked up the tree.
Bro, it wasn't even him!
It was.
No, bro.
He was right there. When
Bro, it was
fucking
a cannibal! Bro, I watched it. I watched
Nah,
it happen.
no. Can you bring Kelvin back to life?
Bitch, you just killed him!
Did I?
Did I? Did I? Did I? Did I? Did I? Did I? Did I? Did I?
I don't even see his body.
I do. I saw it. He just lying there like a dead fish.
You're terrible.
He shouldn't have fucked up the house.
And I think that is where we're going to cut it off for right now. Once again, guys, if you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe, leave a comment. It shows us that you actually want to see more content like this. And again, there's going to be more videos on your way. So, have a great day, guys. I will catch you in the next one. Bye!